mixed vegetable rice or kutanchur. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Kashan Jayakumar. It's going to be a lovely session of mixed vegetable rice, or it's called otherwise as kutanchur. That dish is going to be with rice, lentils and veggies together. Like it's a mixture of everything. That's called kutu, so it's a mixture of everything. Normally after this Pongal festival, what happens is we have a lot of leftovers. So all these leftovers put together and made into a separate nice dish is called this kutanchur. So what we are going to do is, without doing it with the leftovers, we are going to do it with whatever we have fresh. So let's look into how to do this lovely mixed vegetable rice or kutanchur.
So here we have the rice and dal together. It's been washed and we have soaked it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on, you can even soak it for 30 minutes. So I have just soaked it and I have let it so that while we add the vegetables, they get cooked well. So that's why I soaked the tur dal along with this. And now here we can go add around 3 to 4 glasses of water. If it's going to be 1 cup of rice, we can add 3 to 4 glasses of water, that depends. And here I'm adding the potatoes and all the vegetables are diced so that they are uniformly diced, so they give a nice taste and combined flavor. The beans, the carrot and the sweet potatoes. Please try to add these kind of vegetables instead of any vegetables that have the water content with them, because they can ooze out some more water. So now lastly I added the dried drumstick leaves or the moringa leaves. You can either add any kind of spinach or any greens which is available, because that is the main flavor which is going to give for this multi-vegetable rice or the kutanchur. Some kind of green should be added. Now cover your cookers and leave it for at least 5 to 6 whistles. Like everything should be get cooked well. Now heat a pan, and in that pan we are going to add the seasoning and the rest of the things. So here I am adding around 2 to 3 spoons of oil here. With this now we'll do the seasoning by adding some mustard seeds, cumin or jeera, and then we can add some curry leaves. I am adding 1 tomato which is sliced. See, these are all added lastly to give enhance the flavor of the rice. We have the tamarind soaked in water. Let's extract the juice from the tamarind. If you are using tamarind paste, then it's okay, that's not an issue. You can use just 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste. Here I am using the tamarind juice, a small tamarind ball which has been extracted now. Now let this boil well so that the raw taste of the raw flavor of the tamarind has to go. So that is the main issue here. So we'll have to allow this tamarind taste to go away. Until then, let it boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Let's add the coriander powder or the dhania powder, turmeric powder. You're going to grind the red chilies, some coconut and coriander seeds here. Tomatoes are cooked well. Now add the ground powder to this. Give it a nice mix. Once it's boiling well and it's absorbed all the powder flavor and taste within it, let's add the cooked rice, dal and the veggies. Can you see it's boiling well? Now here everything is cooked well in the cooker. So let's add the same here. So here it's done. We get a nice aroma and it's really lovely. Let me add some salt to this. Here our veggie rice, mixed vegetable rice or the kutanchur is ready to be served. Can you see it's really flavorful and it's giving a nice aroma here. This serves as a full balanced diet because it has a lot of vegetables in it, which is rich in fiber, and the dal is rich in protein. Add some ghee and it enhances the flavor and a nice smell.
So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely vegetable rice or the kutanchur. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and do not forget to share this link with your friends and relatives. Thank you.